trap though, 24 shell cases on the floor. Up it and let it blow, yeah, I got this under control. Choppers with laser sights, in the dark they gon' glow. I aim and I dump the clip, that bitch sound like it might explode. I'm riding with dark.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another NBA video. My name is TREVON Chase, and today we have the Scion FRS. We already know about this car's legendary predecessor, the A86, and what it's done for the car culture. In 2013, the Scion FRS was brought to life after years of the car culture fiending for something fun, light, and rear-wheel drive, something for the youth. Scion offered this car as is with only one trim level, non-negotiable price, and it's because they know their customers, they know their audience. They know that these kids were gonna track them, slam them, chop them up. Obviously, the FRS that we have here today is not stock. We have the Q300 exhaust, VLAN tail lights. In collaboration with Subaru came the now well-known Flat 4 F820. A 6-speed attached, 200 horses, 151 pound-feet of torque. Also, one thing about this car, it has an almost 50-50 weight distribution. 53 in the front, 47 in the rear. Obviously, this car is clearly a two-door, but it has 4 seats, so you know what that means. Now clearly, there's a little bit of leg room, but if a person like me, 6 foot tall, was sitting in the front, I would basically have to get amputated. As you know, this car has 2 identical twins, the GT86 and the BRZ. But my personal favorite, honestly, has to be the FRS, because how aggressive the front end looks. You know, the BRZ has more of a happy face. The GT86 has a constipated cousin sort of look to these two cars in comparison. When the FRS first came out, like I stated before, one of the main intentions was for track use. That means the car came with these nice, stiff bucket seats that hold you in place when you're going around the bends. And as I'm sitting here, one thing I can say about the FRS is that the seating position is amazing. Perfect amount of legroom for the clutch, for the shifting, for the steering. I mean, it's honestly a true driver's car. Now that we talked about this FRS a little bit, it's time to get behind the wheel. Since I can't drive standard, we gotta get the man himself. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Alan, and this is actually my FRS. I had it for 6 months, got it back in February during the winter time, and it's been a great car. But let's get on the road. Things I like about the car. I pop now. Some things I really like about the car is the near 50-50 weight distribution. It's amazing. You can handle corners, keep power within corners with some really sticky tires. With some really sticky tires and decent driving experience, you can hold corners really good. This car was mainly made for canyon runs and twisties. You won't really be beating people on the highway. It wasn't designed for that. So this car is basically like a driver's car, but there is some things I don't like about it. And one is this damn torque curve, especially from 3,500 to 4,000 RPM. Feels like I'm going nowhere. The Fit just got in front of me. The car is running Bilstein V12 Pro. It's lowered the car all around about 1 inch. It definitely helps with cornering a lot. You feel everything in the road, from the bump to the pothole to the little pebble. There you go, folks. Today we spent a little time with the FRS, and you're going to see a lot more of it on the channel. But thank you guys for watching with us today. We'll see you in the next one.
In collaboration with Subaru came the now well-known. Sorry. In collaboration with Subaru came the now well-known flat 4 F820 with 6-speed attached, 200.
Ladies and gentlemen,
No.
this car back in 2013, it was no